Welcome back to another day here on a Tuesday. I want to thank you guys for rocking with me. We are coming up very soon in the next 2 or 3 weeks on the cash giveaway, so make sure that you go ahead and submit those entries because October 31st is the last day to submit any entries for creating the Halloween TikTok videos, 10 videos by it needs to be 50. It needs to be 50 views on the 10 videos. And you need to make sure that you use AI to generate those videos. If you don't use AI, sorry, I cannot give you the cash giveaway. But you would get $50 at the end of October if I approve it. But moving on to Uber testing testers. So basically, this is just another way of testing different digital products and earning money, and you can earn a really good decent amount of money from this. This is a little account that my friend has sent me to see how much money he has earned with the program and all that. So it's really imperative that you do your due diligence um, to really earn as much money as you can with this, as you've seen with my friend. And I also have earned money from this as too. So you can go ahead and click on to become a tester, sign up with that, and you can just read a little bit about. You can get short staffed. Now the problem with this is that everybody's applying at once, and it's a lot of people. It's very competitive. So you have to really stand out from the crowd. You have to make sure you fill out as all your application information as possible. Don't leave anything. If you had any prior experience with testing products or digital marketing, I would highly recommend and put that in their application because it's really getting competitive and a lot of people are applying, and some people are being short staffed, meaning that you're going to be waiting for a long time for them to hear back from them. Just wanted to put that out there, so just so you know that when you apply, it's not an immediate entry process. But because it pays good money, it's because everybody's going to be running to the door trying to get in and trying to get this and test these products. Everybody's not going to be accepted into the program. And I tell you guys that over and over and over. Just because I present these opportunities doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get into it. But that doesn't necessarily mean you shouldn't give up either. You have to keep applying. So go ahead and get verified with them. So then that way, once you start, if you've done a lot of digital marketing or you've done a lot of testing products, then you can add to that, add to your application, even write them a note saying I really want to get into this bad. So can you kind of get me into the program, go one step above everybody else, see if that works. If it doesn't work, don't blame me. At least you try. But I'm just trying to give you another avenue of how to get your foot into the door when it's so competitive. You got to think of instead. You got to think one step ahead of the crowd. That's what I always say. You got to be really unique and different. So definitely, you can make money with testing digital products and then earning money. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 typically. Um, some people, if they don't test a lot of products, they only earn like $20 to $30 a month. But the high quality ones, you're gonna give you full good feedback for it, and you're gonna take it very seriously. You can earn between 100 and $300 or $400 a month. So it's really important that you just go ahead and click on become a tester and fill out all this information so you can be able to sign up and start becoming a tester. Now here you have your first name, last name, country, put in all that good stuff. And they have steps to this. So it's kind of like 5 steps to it. So you're gonna sign up for your information, you're gonna confirm the tester agreements, you're gonna connect your device, and then you're gonna do an online test. So there's steps to this process, and don't get aggravated. You can earn, if in between 2 or 3 months, you can earn at least like 2 grand or over that, more than that. Don't get discouraged. I know it's hard. I know it's competitive out here, but I'm giving you all these opportunities. I have over 200 and 50 some videos on my channel. So if this is not an opportunity that you like per se, then you can go and find something else, or you can go to a whole other channel and find something else. No beef, no drama. I want you guys to earn as much money as you can. So I present these opportunities. But that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know if this is something that you want to do. If you like it, if you have any trouble, please email me, and please don't forget to enter the cash giveaway that's going to happen at the end of October and at the end of November. Please do, because we're running out of spots. So if you don't email me and saying that don't come November 1st and you didn't get the money, it's because you didn't follow those instructions, you didn't sign up, and you didn't create those TikTok videos like I asked you to do. So make sure you get that done before the end of October and before the end of November. All of the requirements is on the community tab. But with that, let me know if this is an opportunity that you like, and please don't forget to get away no cash giveaway. Have a great day, money makers, and bye now.